said, what year is this?
2017.
2017. Damn, this shit tough.
Hey, go all the way straight.
How do you think I feel at work here? I get to drive whenever I want. I've been, most of the time, I have videos of me just coming in the car, turning it on, because I just like the way it sounds.
Yeah. What do you drive?
Me?
Yeah.
I drive a Cherokee, so I drive a, you know, like a, it's not in my car, I'm waiting to get a car. I just started selling cars, I'm trying to get into the
Hey.
team.
How that shit feel? Feel good?
It's good, man.
Very smooth car. Like I told you guys in the beginning, it's a certified because Dodge is one of our name brands. So you get warranties added onto the car. They just get added onto the car because it's certified.
Sheesh.
So you get a 7-year.
Hey!
Damn, so kind of like the beginning stages of like working and stuff.
Exactly.
So now I'm at a point where it's like, okay, I'm trying to get a little bit more serious with it.
Yeah.
So,
Well, you're going to dealerships, so that's the next step.
exactly. So,
I mean, it all depends on what you want to do, but I mean, I know that here we could probably give you a good estimate number. We could do an appraisal. We can tell you what we could get for your car, and we can see what we can do to get you in this. But it's up to you completely. At the end of the day.
there's a couple other dealerships I can add, so I'm looking to see who's going to take care of me the best. So, but nah, it's either between, I'm either looking at either a Charger, Challenger, or a Mustang.
Exactly.
So, when I come to take,
Seriously. I mean, we have a Mustang too, but it's manual. And our Challengers are, I think we have 2 manual Challengers, and then we have, I think, 1 manual Charger.
this thing won't open.
Trust me, I know what you mean. I love this thing, dude. It's crazy. It's right. So this is the parking lot. I usually take people down here. Most of the time down to Daytona, obviously, because it is. But sitting though, that might be a little expensive.
Yeah, it's, I think I've done 5% on all of them.
Because you would have to take off all of them.
Yeah.
Everything. So
Shit
it'd be a-
crazy, bro. Shit tough. Do you have any like crazy experiences with like test driving people?
I mean, so far, since I've only been working here for a couple months,
Okay.
and I see some people come in with like, you know, they're like, let's drive this and let's drive that, and I'm like, okay, we can do that, and then I take them out like what I did with you,
Yeah.
like I took you to that park.
Yeah.
They go up there and they try to like turn the wheel all the way, and I see people just floor it, like go like all the way in the radius and just completely just almost crash the car, and I'm just like, okay, you know, like my heart just stopped a little bit. I was like, you gotta stop.
So like, what happens if like if they crash the car?
So basically what happens is, see now, if I were to come with you guys, and let's say that, you know, I'm just sitting in my office or whatever,
Yeah,
and you
yeah.
guys decide to crash the vehicle,
Yeah.
what would happen is, I would be in trouble. Because I'm not the one with you guys. But since I'm with you guys are covered then. Take covers then. That's another thing that separates us from other dealerships.
Really?
Yeah, we
Even if the
cover-
person's at fault.
Yeah, even if the person's at fault. Because
Damn.
I'm supposed to be the person who's making sure everything's the way it's supposed
Safety.
to be. Yeah, because you're not, technically you're not, if you're supposed to, if you go 5 over, I'm supposed to be like, okay, stop the car.
Yeah.
I'm supposed to drive. But,
Yeah.
you know, I'm not going to do that, obviously. I mean,
Hey, I appreciate that,
Nah,
man. Like I said, I'm not trying to do something crazy. Like that's why I saw a speed limit 40. I'm like, all right,
Yeah.
I'm not trying to get a ticket in here.
Exactly, you
or
don't want
anything
to.
crazy like that.
But you didn't hear none of that from my manager.
No,
You
sir.
didn't hear none of that from my manager.
I don't know what you talking about. Do you like selling cars though?
I just started, like I said, but I'm trying to get used to it. It's if you're good at it, if you can get good at it, it's at the end of the month, and that's not bad. Like that's yearly, you'll be walking out with a lot of.
Told y'all, man, we working.
Is Bob still there?
Joint died, but it's whatever.
Are you talking to him?
No.
But no, I've driven this around. I've driven all the Chargers up there around, except for the manual ones, because they're a little complicated. I don't trust myself in those.
Yeah. Don't they teach you how to drive manual here?
Yeah, no, I know how to drive manual.
Okay.
It's a little bit of a challenge sometimes. Yeah.
But I thought like even if you're a car salesman and you don't know how to drive manual, I thought like the company that you work for, don't they teach you?
Yeah, they try to teach you, but they kind of like, you know, they kind of imply that like if you don't learn how to do this in a certain amount of time, we'll just be like, oh, bye.
Yeah.
But it's just click left or like a said. I apologize about the license again, brother.
Nah, you're good,
I
bro.
don't know why it wasn't working.
Nah,
I
it's
think it's
all
because it's
good.
faded on the back for some reason. I don't know why. It's
Shit,
odd.
I park right here.
Yeah, just park it anywhere.
I don't even want to
You
hop
guys
back
don't
in.
mind coming in real quick though and getting some information, right?
This shit tough, bro. So we pulled up, man. Yeah, man. See what's going on, man. Shit crazy, bro. Crazy. Told y'all, man. Hellcat hooligan, man. You think we joking, man? I know coming. Think we joking, man? I know coming soon.